Yeah, guys, in this video, I'm going to explain you how to remember logically the six trigonometric ratios. The six trigonometric ratios, whatever we are having, how to remember them logically, right? So in a right angle triangle, as if I have shown you triangle ABC, in that one, in triangle ABC, angle B here, what we have seen, it's nothing but 90 degrees there. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees, but right, the angle what we are considering is from angle A. So the theta we are taking from angle A. So angle B is equal to 90 degrees and angle A is equal to theta. Now, so obviously we know what's the meaning of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degrees. Here, the side opposite to 90 degrees, we are taking the side AC. Why? Because AC is opposite to the 90 degrees. Therefore, we are taking it as hypotenuse. Now, coming to adjacent side. What is the meaning of adjacent side? Adjacent side means the side which is touching. Right, from where he is asking from theta. So now AB will become adjacent side. AB, the side AB is the adjacent side. Now opposite of theta. Which side is opposite? Opposite means the side which is not touching theta. Which is not touching the theta is nothing but the opposite. So here, if the theta is here, now this side will become opposite side. Why? Because that side BC is not at all touching the angle. Now, how to figure it out the angles between all the three there? Right. So we are calculating the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Right. Now, logically, let's go. Now, let us find the relation this as the first one. This as the first one. Right. Let us go from opposite to hypotenuse. Right, I like to call that as the first one. That is opposite by hypotenuse. I like to call it as a sine theta. That is the first relation I like to take. That's nothing but the sine theta. So from where did you start the journey? I started from opposite and I traveled to hypotenuse. That is opposite to hypotenuse I went. Is it clear? Opposite to hypotenuse, and I called it as sine theta. Now, let us go from adjacent to hypotenuse and let us call it as the second relation. Okay, na? So here it is adjacent. Right. From adjacent, we are going to hypotenuse. We like to call it as, what's that? Right. So now let's go. Adjacent to hypotenuse. This is the second relation, what I'm calling, and I like to call it as cos theta. So first one, opposite to hypotenuse, that is the first one. Next, adjacent to hypotenuse, that is the second one. Now, right, the third root what we have is this one. What is that? Opposite to adjacent. This is the third relation. Opposite to adjacent, I like to call it as tan theta. So right here, from opposite to adjacent, I am moving. You can see the diagram there. I am dealing with the flow chart here. First relation, we went from opposite to hypotenuse. Second relation, from adjacent to hypotenuse. Now the third relation, we are coming from opposite to adjacent. So these are the three relations what we have. Fine. Now we are going in the reverse direction. We are going in the reverse direction. What is that one? So first we traveled from opposite to hypotenuse, next adjacent to hypotenuse, next opposite to adjacent. Now come in the reverse direction. So we are coming, the mapping is from, what is that? Adjacent to opposite. We like to call the fourth relation, which is nothing but the cot. Just to see, adjacent to opposite. Then now the fifth relation we are going, hypotenuse to adjacent. See here, hypotenuse to adjacent. The fifth relation, we call it as sec theta. We are coming from sec hypotenuse to adjacent. Now the sixth relation, let us go from here. This is the sixth relation. Hypotenuse to opposite, we like to call it as cosec theta. So these are the six relations what we have. If you think it on, right, the first relation from where we are paying opposite to hypotenuse, we call it as sine. Second relation from where to where? adjacent to hypotenuse, we are calling it as cos. That is the second relation. Now, third relation, opposite to adjacent, opposite by adjacent, we are calling it as tan. That's what I have labeled it. Now, travel in the opposite direction. That is adjacent to right opposite, adjacent to opposite, we are calling it as cot theta. Yes. Now, again, hypotenuse to adjacent. That is what? Hypotenuse to adjacent. We call it as secant theta. Right. The last relation, we are going the reverse direction. That is hypotenuse by to opposite. We call it as cosecant theta. So these are the pairs what we are having. So this is the rote mapping to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Hope you are able to